if you have a very healthy diet and lifestyle, and if you sadly get diagnosed with bowel cancer, you still get benefit. You still get benefit. We saw this data again published last year. It was looking again at the WCRF, the World Cancer Research Fund, diet and lifestyle guidelines. Another big data set, about 1,500 patients, prospective US data. And the individuals who had a healthy diet and lifestyle before their cancer diagnosis did way better with their cancer. They were, up to, and I mean, I know in cancer statistics, we talk, I think, rather brutally about survival rates, okay? But it's the statistic that we look at. But people who had a healthy diet and lifestyle, followed up for 8 years, they were, almost 40% less likely to pass away due to their cancer, regardless of other factors, simply because they had a healthy diet and lifestyle. So if you are unfortunate enough to have been diagnosed with bowel cancer and you are thinking, all that my healthy lifestyle was for nothing, it is not for nothing. Because if we had a drug treatment that reduced your risk of dying after a cancer diagnosis by almost 40%, it would be a blockbuster. It would be the most incredible medication that we have in the bowel cancer world, So I just want to reassure people that if it is, a healthy diet and lifestyle keeps giving benefit even on your worst day.
Thank you. That's great perspective. And, I think the gist of that is a whole food, plant-based diet, exercise, stress reduction, being mindful of your exposure to environmental toxins. Number one, puts you in the lowest risk of getting many types of cancer. And if you're diagnosed, it increases your odds of survival, right? Both ways.
Very much so.
There is benefit to changing your life and taking control of your health. And I like to make a joke, which is that everybody thinks they're healthy until they get sick. And the reality is, even if you are pretty healthy and following pretty healthy guidelines, there's usually room for improvement. And so with a life-threatening disease or a debilitating or just unpleasant chronic disease, use that as motivation to take control of your health and change your life and really just kick it up a notch and see what happens when you really take care of yourself like you never have before. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, why not subscribe? Here's a link to do that. And if you'd like to watch the full interview, you can find it at chrisbeatcancer.com. There's a link to it in the description right below this video.